Hi everyone, I'm here in my extended pantry. Just wanted to give you a little peek at the groceries that I purchased on sale at rock bottom prices a few weeks back. Some of you were asking how I save money on groceries after I posted on my Facebook page a receipt for under $8 for a turkey and some salad dressings. The original price would have been about $60 if I paid full price for everything. So I said that I would be willing to share what I do to save money at the grocery store, and who couldn't stand to save money right now because prices are out of control. In fact, I think groceries have doubled from what I can see over the last year, and people are really stretched thin. So I'm really happy to show you what I do. Um, we didn't purchase these bottles, of course. They're Crown Royal bottles, but they're filled with the maple syrup my husband makes on our family farm. So those are really wonderful to have. And over here, these two racks are filled with preserves. There's coleslaw, stewed tomatoes, apples, applesauce, pineapple, jams and jellies. Down here I have something called cowboy candy, and these are mustard pickles and Lady Ashburnham pickles and beets. So these are all things that I made from the vegetables and fruit that we have here on the farm. And so once again, if anybody wants to check out my YouTube channel called Grocery Ninja, I am happy to share with you once a week what I do to save money at the grocery store. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.